Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I mean, at the end of the day, you know what we're gonna talk about. Corona ended with a V. That is all I gotta say. We got a lot to get into in this video. Side note, why is my life always full of drama? Let's get on with the serious stuff. You know, this is all I have to say. You really don't know your spouse until the apocalypse happened or you have a child. I swear to God, I didn't realize that my spouse was a totalitarian dictator and I was living in the dictatorships in this house. As soon as the corona ended with the V came into our lives, I have nothing to say. He was trying to tell me, oh, you need to listen to me. I'm like, wait a minute, dude. Slow your roll, buddy. Like, you really don't know your spouses until it comes time for an apocalypse to happen and the corona ended with a V. Side note, this is all I have to say, and then we're going to get to the messiness in the skincare section of Target. I'm trying to keep this video really lighthearted because there is a lot of drama going on. This is actually serious. It's really serious, but you know, looking at the news 24 hours a day, self-quarantine is not going to help the situation. So let's just have a lighthearted good time with it, you guys. You know, I used to be a prepper. I've mentioned this in many videos. I was a prepper slash hippie. You know, I went on a whole raw vegan kick, gained 30 pounds, lost 50 pounds. 3 years later, look at me now, 50 pounds overweight. The reason why I say this, because this is all going to tie in and we're going to get to it. Side note, let me say this. You know, in the prepper community, we all thought it was going to be Obama because he is Trump. It's Trump. Seriously though. So 3 years ago, I got pregnant, right? And I decided, you know, maybe it's time for me to stop. So I put up my dehydrator. I let all my preppiness go. I decided to use all my vitamins, my bioacetin, my spirulina powder, my B12, my vitamin C. Like I said, you know, I want to be the normal mom. Like, I mean, there's no normal, but normal mom in the group. I don't want to be the mom that is like really crazy, talking about all of these crazy superstitious things. I became a suburban mom, and look what happened. That's it. I'm moving to a farm. That is all I have to say. I'm going to a farm after this. That way I don't have to worry about this. Side note, I told Josh, I was like, hey Josh, where is all the stuff that I have for prep? Because I put it in the shed. I had a lot of hollow point ping, ping, ping. We got to use codes because I don't want to get demonetized. So I had a lot of hollow point ping, ping, ping. I don't know how to ping, 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 but I was going to sell them. So I asked Josh, where are they? Have no clue where they are. So you know what? At this point, if it comes tomorrow, it comes tomorrow. Josh is out here talking about learning how to hot wire cars. Talking about we going to the forest. Wouldn't the forest be crowded if we go? I'm just curious as how this is gonna work. Side note, I said, okay, well, if he's acting crazy, then I need to calm down because one of us has to be the same one here. For Sonomi's sake, at least. So I calmed down. I was like, you know what? It's not that serious. Side note, all the kombucha was gone. I said, I have to start making kombucha again because the kombucha was gone, you guys. Oh my God. Can I ask a question? What is with the toilet paper? What you gonna do? Hide from the people with the toilet? I am really confused with the toilet paper. I could see the water, but the toilet paper, and please people, there are people who need these things. Please share with other people. Half of y'all buying toilet paper trying to make a profit, about to have so much toilet paper and ain't gonna get this profit. I have nothing to say. Oh my God. With that being said, let's get into the skincare part of this. Everything was gone. I was shocked. I guess everyone was thinking like me, well, if I'm gonna get corona, at least I'm gonna be cute and have nice skin while I'm sick with the corona, because everything was gone. Side note, you hear all the skincare channels and influencers talk about don't buy makeup wipes, don't buy facial wipes, don't buy skincare wipes. Why were they all gone? Everything was gone. All the skincare y'all told me to try was gone. I was shocked. Like, why was everything gone? Side note, I went to the grocery store like this. I ran out of face masks, so I can't have my face mask, so I have my gloves. People were looking at me crazy. I'm looking at them. I'm not getting corona. I lived through Zika. I lived through all of them. I'm not getting the corona, and I was in fear of Zika. It's all documented on my other channel. I was doing mosquito DIYs, candle repellent DIYs for the longest because I was not getting Zika. And I ain't getting corona. So I thought this was fitting for the video. With that being said, yeah, so let me show you guys my skincare haul and what I was able to get my little hands on, and then we'll talk about more drama that happened with me and as to why I don't do reaction videos and celebrity skincare routines anymore, because a lot of you ask, but I want to show you my haul first. So I picked up some Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. I kind of am starting to like this way better than the Hydro Boost Water Gel. I also picked up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleanser. I'm really low, so I decided to pick this up again. Yes, baby. I also picked this up because I really wanted to try it, and every time I went to Walmart, it was sold out. I'm lucky I got the last one of the 2 that they had left, so I went ahead and picked it up because at least my alligator looking legs, elbows, and arms are gonna be nice. Oh, I also went and picked up some CeraVe Foamy Facial Cleanser because I mean, you know, you can't have enough CeraVe. I mean, I'm just saying. Last but not least, I went and picked up a Yes 2 face mask because I want my pores to look really great during this pandemic. And I also picked up some Yes 2 cleansing facial wipes. I don't want to hear no sassiness from any of y'all telling me don't be using cleansing facial wipes because they bad to the environment. When the apocalypse is happening, y'all went and ransacked the facial wipes from Neutrogena. They were I was shocked, and all Bliss products was gone. I was so upset because I really wanted to try the pumpkin mask. So y'all really ransacked the facial wipes from Neutrogena. So apparently, I guess the environment can go somewhere when the apocalypse is happening. That's all I have to say. Oh my God. Now, let's talk about the drama and the messiness with this skincare channel. My last channel was messy. This channel is messy. I cannot stay out of some mess. I don't know why. This actually has to do with the Winnie Harlow skincare routine. Remember when I started doing people's skincare routines? I started that about a year ago before they really became popular this year. I did Gigi Hadid's, I did Ariana Grande's, I did Winnie Harlow's. I did a lot of celebrities. I tried their skincare routines over a year ago because I would read their Vogue magazine and they had really great skin. And this is exactly why I stopped doing celebrity skincare routines. It was really after Khloe Kardashian skincare routine that I really stopped because I got a lot of hate on it. And I really thought it was a funny video. I did, but apparently y'all didn't like it. And then I got a lot of pushback on the Jackie Aina one. I thought Jackie Aina's skincare routine was great. Apparently you guys didn't like it. And then when I did, what was her name? Anastasia Beverly Hills. Everybody was mad at me for that one. So I said, you know what? I am going to stop doing these videos. It was mainly supposed to be for fun. And a lot of times when I'm really having fun on this channel and trying to educate and have fun at the same time, I guess you can't intermingle both of them. But literally, I was just having fun with the skincare routines. I thought it was fun and entertaining. Well, apparently a lot of y'all don't like them. And Winnie Harlow sent me a message on Instagram, and I'm about to read it because this is why I don't do them anymore. So this is exactly what she said. Side note, the skincare routine was in Vogue UK, not me, Vogue UK. So I just want to clear that up. It wasn't me. I can't believe I got my myself in drama. I try to stay away from drama, and I always get in drama. I am a Libra, and Libras, we tend to not like confrontation. We tend to not like drama, because when we go crazy, people always say, oh my God, you're overreacting. You're doing too much after y'all egged us on. But that's another story for another time. So I'm gonna just read what she said. She said, oh my God, sweetie, I just saw your video on your trial of my skincare routine. And I have to mention, this is not my routine, just some products I love. Those things in particular are not the most hydrating. I would suggest using 1 drop of tea tree oil with a toner and our essence and a cotton round and another hydrating moisturizer on top of Evan, as well as an eye cream and retinol sleep mask every other night. I like the image skincare one. Stay moisturized in the desert. It was really sweet. I'm so happy she recognized that I did her skincare routine, because as I said before, and I'll say this now, Winnie Harlow has wonderful skin. With that being said, I was all wrong thanks to Vogue UK. Vogue UK, you got it wrong. You sat here and told me her skincare routine was black African soap, tea tree oil, and Avant. Now look it. Now I'm looking like the crazy one, and it's Vogue's fault. Is Vogue gonna get it wrong? No, it's me. With that being said, that's all I have to say as to why I don't do celebrity skincare routines and other things like that on this channel anymore. I thought it was creative. I thought it was fun to add an extra video to this channel. We do people's skincare routines. She was very nice about it. She didn't give me any sass or anything. But after that Khloe Kardashian drama, after Anastasia Beverly Hills skincare routine drama, and definitely after everyone got mad at me for doing Bella Thorne skincare routine, I honestly want to say this. When I did the celebrity skincare routines, I really love their skin, and people who are really spotlighted, like Cora Organics had a wonderful skincare routine. I love Cora Organics products. Winnie Harlow, Gigi Hadid, she uses an apricot scrub. To each its own when it comes to skincare. This is why, honestly, you guys, I really made this channel really lighthearted, because when it comes to skincare, people switch it up, they change it up. Products don't always work the way they used to months from now. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, that is exactly why I stopped celebrity skincare routines. Side note, ooh, these gloves are sweaty, honey. My hands are sweaty. They weren't sweaty when I was at the store. I have a whole pack. You guys don't even know. I have 2 boxes of gloves ready to go. I am not getting the corona with the V. I don't think so. That being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was just supposed to be lighthearted. It's a lot going on. Take care of yourselves, please. Take care of our elderly. Take care of the babies, people with moms. Leave some formula for them. Don't snatch it up. You are not going to make extra money, because once it's all gone, you think you're about to sell thousands of dollars, make thousands on tissue. It's just not going to happen. There's no shortages of tissue. I don't get the tissue. Someone please explain to me. We didn't even buy tissue. We still have tissue from the last time we went to Costco. I wasn't going out buying tissue, maybe water, but tissue, come on now, it's not that serious. There's no need to hoard. I read a message in a Facebook group where this woman was telling us how this elderly lady was really stressed because she couldn't find tissue. So think about our elderly generation who needs these things, needs supplies, and you're hoarding them for no reason. It's not fair. The elderly generation are what will become, and the children are our future. So, you know, just take care of the elderly, take care of the children. Please be safe out there, you guys. Wear your gloves. If people look at you crazy, at least you are safe. That's all I have to say. Anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah!